Hi, this is Mark Vila with ColDesi, and today we're here to talk about the Fusion IQ heat press and a couple of cool features, and we're going to dive right into it, starting with this great LCD screen that you see right here, and a couple of features that are really going to be beneficial to your shop. So, for one, we'll take out the stylus that comes with it, and right now we're on a custom setting. So we're showing the temperature, the pressure, and the time that I'm going to be working with for whatever transfer or method I'm doing. And this is a custom one, meaning that you can actually click on here and you can manually adjust your time and your pressure. And there's a little quick use bar up here. And so you can get this set however you want, and that's just a custom set that you're doing. You could do this on a case by case. Maybe you're doing something that is just an individual project. That's not something you normally do. If you are going to be doing things regularly, like in our showroom here, we often use digital heat effects, white toner transfers, then we've got a few presets that we've made for those. So let me show you how that works. So if we go into our preset menu, you can see what we've got set here. We've got an Easy Peel 2-step, an Easy Peel 1-step, Triton, that's our opaque heat transfer vinyl, hard surface, etc. And this is actually really easy to create these presets. So there's a plus button right here, and you can go in here and you can name your preset here. You click on there and you can put your temperature, say 270 degrees. You can put your time, 20 seconds. And you can even put your pressure, so the machine will let you know if your pressure is set right when you're doing your pressure testing. You can actually step this too, which is a really great function. So sometimes, like a digital heat effects transfer, on step 1 I'm going to be transferring, and step 2 I'm going to be finishing. So you can actually go into step 2 and you can adjust your time or temperature there if need be for multi-step processes. So this is really good for any time you need to do a multi-step process. And that's how you save presets. I'll show you another function here that's great, is we've got this little person here. This allows us to create users and managers. So what's great about this is you, as the manager, can create presets like we showed before, but you can also create different users and only give them access to do certain things in your heat press, so somebody doesn't accidentally override or delete a preset that you've created. And we'll go back home. So here, I'll set it to Easy Peel 2-step, and it makes an adjustment, and then it's also going to tell me it's got 4 minutes until we reach our temperature of 320 that we're going to be working with. So now we're going to take a look at the next best feature, in my opinion. Is first we're going to pull this drawer out, which is a great feature in and of itself. You can slide out and work without being under the heat of the Platen up there. And up top here, there's a handle and a locking mechanism, and you can also create this as a traditional swing away where you can swing this top Platen over. But what I am here to talk to you about is actually the removable and replaceable Platens. So underneath here I pull a little bar, and the 16 by 20 Platen easily lifts off. And there's a bunch of these different sizes. There's rectangles and squares and sleeve and leg. There's even a shoe one and a can cooler one. And these just slide right on just like this and lock in place. And now you could say do a onesie or youth apparel or something like that on this small Platen. And when you're ready to go back to your next one, they unlock and slides back on. And you can have a bunch of these Platens, which I'm going to recommend you at least have a few different ones for your most popular items. Well, thanks for watching this little video on the Fusion IQ heat press. If you'd like to shop different style heat presses, including the Fusion IQ, you can go to colemanandcompany.com and you can see our full line of heat presses there. In addition to that, if you're curious about some of the other systems I mentioned in this video, like digital heat effects and other things ColDesi has to offer, you can go ahead and visit coldesi.com and live chat with one of our pros to learn about everything we have to offer your business. Thank you.